All right, do you want to know how all these people keep saying that they're making thousands and thousands of dollars online? And you also want to know if it's true or not? Well, I'm going to tell you one of the reasons, because I don't know all of them, but I'm going to tell you one because that's how I do it. And one of the reasons why you see a lot of videos online where people are saying that they're making thousands of dollars is because we discovered the roadmap course. This is the roadmap with master resale rights. In this course is going to teach you everything that you need to know to start selling digital products online. So you can do that from home, you can do it anywhere. So this course teaches you how to create your brand, create your logo, create your website, how to do marketing, all the marketing strategies, how to do email marketing, how to promote their products on different social media platforms, and even how to create your own course if that's what you want to do. So this is something that's changing a lot of people's lives because we invested in this course that is teaching us how to do all these things. And then once you start implementing this, then you start just seeing money just flow. Not like crazy, but you see it flow. And one thing is, yes, you have the rights to resell the course. And the course is $497. And it's an investment. When you pay for this course, you can resell it, and that means that you get $497, the whole amount. It's not a commission. So something that's happening is that you want to surround yourself with people that want to learn how to make money online. So what's going to happen is that these people are going to buy the course from you. So at that point, you're making $497, but also now that person is going to learn how to do the same, and also people are going to start buying the course from them, and they're going to start making the same amount of money. And that's how we're making thousands and thousands of dollars. That's one of the reasons why. But also, as you learn all these skills, then you learn how to create your product so that you can start selling your products as well. So it's not all coming from just reselling the course, but a big chunk of that it's coming from reselling the course. So it's not that you're going to just like resell it to someone who is just like not interested in it. Of course, you're trying to target the same people that want to do the same thing you want to do, and they want to learn how to do it. So they're going to buy the course, and that means that you start making more money by reselling the course. So yes, it's happening. It's happening to me. That's why you see it a lot, because we all want to work from home now. We don't want to go anywhere. We don't want to deal with shitty bosses and all this crap. And employees are just like all like, bringing a bunch of drama to your workplace that you don't need. So yes, it's coming more and more coming. But it is true, and that's what's happening. But this is where all this money is coming from. All these thousands and thousands of dollars mostly are coming from reselling the course, because everybody wants to work from home and maybe everybody wants to learn how to do what you're doing. But then on top of that is whatever digital products that you are selling, that you learn how to make with the course.